Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today we are going to be unboxing the KM526. This is the Dell Pro keyboard and mouse. Over here, this is the light ash color, which is basically an off-white, and this is the black. Both of these are going to function the same. The difference is primarily the colors. So let's jump into the unboxing. Seal. Ooh-wee. Mouse, some batteries, and the warranty, safety, regulatory information. Let's push this here. Ooh, look at that color. Pretty sweet. So the dongle would be here. The battery goes here. Your on-off switch. That down. And now the keyboard. Ooh, looks really nice. This color is pretty sweet. You have your on-off switch over here, rubber feet. Spot for the battery. Check out the... So it is a 3-section keyboard. You have your numpad, full-size arrow keys, and the rest of the keyboard there. You will see some options here. One cool thing is talk to text. Button there, everything moving to voice. And of course, your Copilot key. Pretty sweet. And now next to them. Battery wise, the keyboard is AAA's. Follow that. Let's do it this way. Plus sign, so the AA go here. So this is just a standard mouse. We'll get it plugged into a system and take a look at the feature set after. And now let's open the black one. So expect it to be very similar. Look at the black mouse, pretty sweet. Exact same functionality. Batteries over here. Warranty, safety, regulatory information. So these batteries will last 48 months, which is 4 years, and that's awesome to see. So you don't necessarily have to worry about changing these. Set it up and forget about it. Similar functionality, a full look at the keyboard. KM526, the Dell Pro keyboard and mouse. Black at the bottom, light ash up top. And now some side-by-side comparisons. Light ash, black, ton of innovation. Let's plug them in. So I've gone ahead and installed the dongle that does sit here to my notebook. There's a spot on the mouse, as well as the keyboard over here, which is awesome to see. Call out. So I'm using Dell Display and Peripheral Manager version 2.2.1.16, which is the latest version as of time of recording here. So when you pull down your devices, let's go to the other view. So over here is the keyboard, the KB526, and the MS526. The combo of both is what we call the KM526. But this keyboard is going to be, a 3-section keyboard. You do have full-size arrow keys. You do have a full-size numeric keypad, and then obviously your full set of keys that you would use there. You do have some quick action buttons here, some hotkeys for your calculator, and then this one over here is actually the action center. So one of the cool changes this year. What we also changed is F5 above that. That is going to be talk to text. So if you do press that, depending on the app, you could see some interactions there from voice to text, which is, where the future is kind of headed. Snipping tool, definitely a hotkey there now. So I'll be able to bring up the snipping tool. So if you're doing print screen or things like that. And then from a mouse perspective, let's go to the MS526, which is this one over here. You do have some mouse settings. So if I wanted primary being left or right, you do have some options for DPI settings. So you can go all the way up to 6,000 DPI, which is awesome. Polling rate, if you wanted to change some of that, you're more than welcome to. And then your customization, it's really only the scroll wheel. There are no side buttons over here, forward, back. But you could change some suggested actions, productivity actions, Windows-based actions, and multimedia actions. So a lot of customization kind of at your fingertips. But other than that, that is pretty much the black version. We could plug in the light ash, but you're going to see the only difference is going to be probably the color scheme, and then customization and things like that is exactly the same. Let's go take a look at the website. So you'll notice on both the mouse, you do have a spot for the USB-A dongle over here, right here, which is pretty cool to see. And looking at the website, just very quickly, you'll notice that it does have the light ash version kind of on screen here. I did talk about the USB-A receiver. There are some hotkeys directly on the keyboard itself, right here. Some options there. Mouse-wise, we looked at the DPI of 6,000. You do have, 3 years advanced exchange warranty. From a device perspective, again, operating at 2.4 gigahertz from a frequency standpoint. It does work with Dell Display and Peripheral Manager, which I just showed you. The mouse will be AA and the keyboard will be AAA. And from a runtime perspective, you're looking at a maximum of 4 years, which is pretty cool. You can kind of install it and just leave it be. You have some technical specifications of the keyboard itself. You can go take a look at it. And then from an OS perspective, definitely works with everything that you can think of. And pretty much that is it. This was the KM526 Light Ash. we can go look at the black one and it's going to be exactly the same. So I've plugged in the white one just to show you what I meant. So now the white one's showing there. So again, from a customization standpoint, I could hardwire some different kind of options here. From a calculator standpoint, pause break, scroll lock, search. Some of these keys here, you can change them in terms of what you want to play around with. And then looking at the mouse, this would be the MS526, again, the mouse. So left, right, you'll want that as the primary DPI settings, polling settings, depending on customization. And then again, for the scroll, some options there for you to play around with. So the MS526 would be the Dell Pro 5 mouse. The KB526 will be the Dell Pro 5 keyboard. And the combo of both is going to get you your KM526. Again, available in the light ash, which is basically an off-white, or the black, just depending on preference there. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.